Yo, what is going on, everyone? My name is Josh, and today we got a brand new unboxing video, and it was more Travis Scott stuff, so you already know it took forever to get here, and I have no clue when I ordered it. But we have the Cactus Jack Smile hoodie. Now, this was something that I was a little iffy on ordering because I don't know what resell will be, and I don't even know if I might make my money back. I might end up keeping it, who knows. Right off the bat, you can see that it's a really dope embroidery right there. Now, normally when people buy these, they just keep them dead stock until they sell them, but we're over here trying to do an unboxing video. Just so you guys know, you could go and grab this on Grailed if you like. At Hybrid Josh is my name on Grailed, as well as Instagram, Hybrid Josh. Go shoot me a follow if you do have an Instagram page. I know you do. Who doesn't have an Instagram page? I feel like almost everybody has an Instagram page nowadays. Anyway, this brown is actually really nice. Let's see. Okay. I forgot this does have a full back print. So right off the bat, this is what the front looks like. You got a nice embroidery right there. To be honest, I kind of want to personal this. Like, it's just really raw. I don't normally keep Travis Scott stuff, but I don't know. No disrespect towards Travis Scott. I just don't be wearing his merch like that. Like, I kept like, I think one of the tagless short sleeves, and that's probably it. And then I got the Scott's like vinyls and stuff, but that's just because I'm a Kid Cudi fan. And then you flip it over, and then you got this big back print right here. It's a puff print as well, majority of it, other than like the black outline. But other than that, it's a Cactus Jack Smile puff print. Now, I won't even lie, this goes crazy. Like, just looking at all these puff letters is definitely insane. I just never know what I would wear this with, because I mean, at the end of the day, it's still McDonald's. But the cool thing about this is that it doesn't really show McDonald's branding too much. Like, yeah, you could tell it's McDonald's because of like the yellow and then the colors and the style, but it doesn't just slap McDonald's on there and like just yell it at you. So that's another good thing about this piece. If you didn't want any McDonald's branding, like a lot of people were pissed that with the Fortnite collab they did, a lot of it had Fortnite branding, and people were like, yo, these pieces are raw, but I'm not trying to rock Fortnite. I mean, like, I get it though. I sold some Fortnite pieces, but let's get a close-up of this hoodie and really see more detail about it. So as we get to the front, here's another look at that embroidery. I think the color choice they picked was amazing, and it definitely makes the hoodie look a little better. As far as the neck tag goes, it's the same neck tag as always, or at least what it seems like. It's always the same one on every single Cactus Jack print. And then you come over here and just get a look at that brown. To be honest, I think that brown is a really good color that they picked. I don't know what blanket is that they use with these kind of strings, but who knows. I mean, it definitely seems pretty soft. Here's the inside if you want to look at that, if that's how you look at hoodies. But I mean, you could tell it's not like insanely soft, but it's also not rock hard, so that's also a plus. But let's flip it over. So as we get to the back to get a closer look of the puff print, you could just tell that thing is going crazy, and they most definitely snapped on that. And I don't know, I love puff prints, and I think they always do good when a company does it correctly. And then you get over here and look at the Cactus Jack. Obviously the colors are going to match up with the front colors. Overall, I think this is a really good hoodie, and this would be a personal if it doesn't end up selling over time, because I won't mind to keep this one. Out of all the McDonald's, Travis Scott, Cactus Jack stuff that was made, this hoodie most definitely would probably be one of my favorites. Next to the slides, of course. I definitely love these slides for some reason. Just the whole fit could go perfectly together if you got the slides and then you got the hoodie. But nonetheless, screw the slides. We're talking about the hoodie. This hoodie is fire. If you are thinking of picking it up, I suggest you go do so. And if you need a medium, this is a medium. It might be on my Grailed. Go check out my Grailed. Anyway, I don't know. What do you guys think of this? Personally, I think they did really good. Like I said, puff prints are always fire. And then on the front, you can never go wrong with an embroidery. Ever. Puff print and an embroidery on a brown hoodie. They snapped for sure. Anyway, guys, let me know what you guys think down below. Be sure to go check out my Grailed again if I did not shout it out already, right there, Hybrid Josh. And then also go follow me on Instagram as well, Hybrid Josh. And be sure to leave a like, comment, subscribe. I know you guys have been liking these Travis Scott unboxing videos, and I don't know, maybe it's just because a lot of people were like, yo, fuck buying this and it's gonna take forever. We're just gonna wait for it to drop. Because guess what? I bought it, waited like 3 months, and I could still buy it at pretty much the same price I paid for it. So it's like, it was pointless, but I got to do unboxing videos, so that is always fun. And then obviously I got another bag with this hoodie, of course. I mean, how many of these can I have? I got like 4 or 5 so far, but I might just throw them with the Grailed orders, or just sell them separately, or keep them. Who knows? Like, literally, I don't know what to do with all this Travis Scott stuff. I got too much Travis Scott merch. Go buy it off me. Leave a like. It's been Josh, and I'm out. Peace. Alright guys, I already ended the video, but I went to go take some pictures from my grilled page earlier and I saw a flaw in the hoodie. So then I went to go re-record that and then my camera was dead, so I charged that. I went out, I wore the hoodie, but now that it has a flaw, it's in my personal collection. But look at this, I was actually so pissed. I saw this, I went to go take pictures to post it on Grailed and get it up there. I was like, okay, you know, resell is at like 180 right now, which isn't bad. I paid like 105 for it. So it was one of the Travis items that didn't break. I was like, great, I could sell it. Nope. Look at this. I don't even know how this happened, but there is actually like an entire hole in there and there's decoloration and everything. Like, how does that even happen? And no joke, the hole does go through the whole hoodie. There's my finger. And yeah, it came like that. Like, it really did. And I was a little shocked. I was like, okay, that's kind of ass, but what are you gonna do? I wonder what happened though. Like, somebody saw this when they were packaging it and they were like, you know what? It looks great. He's gonna love it with this hole. Like, somebody had to see that. There's no way that this just magically appeared with a hole and someone was like, looks beautiful. I don't know what happened. I mean, I get mistakes happen, so I'm not like entirely pissed, but like still, come on, like $105 hoodie, Travis Scott. You think you could send me a hoodie without a hole in it? But I mean, I guess it was good that I did say this would be the one hoodie that I was gonna keep for the personal if I didn't sell it. So here I am, not being able to sell it, keeping it for the personal. I emailed them, but I doubt anything's gonna happen because one time when I ordered the Scott's vinyls that him and Kid Cudi dropped, one of them came bent. I sent them an email and they were like, you gotta go through the service and all that stuff because apparently it was done during shipping. But this cannot be done during shipping. There's no way the postman was like, you know what? I'm ripping a hole in this hoodie. That's it. But I mean, I'm not mad. When you wear the hoodie, it pops up like under here, like on your arm, like right under here. So you can't really see it. So I'm not too mad about it. Like I said, I'm gonna still wear it and I guess bust fits out and I might as well go take some pictures in it. But who knows? Now I got the matching slides because I'm wearing these around right now. I did an unboxing video. Go check these out. These are actually really raw. I'm wearing them around. I don't know if I'm gonna sell them yet. I haven't worn them out of the house, so they're still pretty clean. But I got the larges and XLs listed, so go buy those. Anyway, that's off topic. There's a hole in my hoodie. An $105 hoodie that we waited however long for, but who knows? I'm not pissed about it, like I said, guys. But let me know what you guys think down below. Leave a like, comment, subscribe. This has been Josh again, and we are out. Man, it happens to the best of us. What are you gonna do? I hope nothing like that happens to you guys. Let me know if it does. Flaws happen all the time. I had Supreme shoes come with a flaw. But yep, this has been Josh and I'm out. Peace. Alright, so not too long ago, I've been waiting for Cactus Jack to get back to me so then I could let you guys know what happened because I didn't want to upload the hoodie unboxing with the ripping, but then I contact them and then you guys not know what happened. So I kind of wanted to make sure everything went all good. They sent me a gift card, which I was actually surprised because, to be fair, no disrespect towards like Travis Scott or anything, I just didn't think that his like support team or anything would do anything. Just because it's incidents like this that normally happen and companies are like, I have no clue how this happened, so we're just not gonna do anything. But they gave me a gift card of $104.13 and the hoodie was $118.98, meaning I paid $114.85 for this Travis Scott hoodie with the intent of me having to spend another $100 and some somewhere else on Travis Scott's shop whenever new stuff comes out. Shout out to them. That's pretty cool because I will wear this hoodie now. It's in the personal. I'm not going to resell it because it's ripped and stuff. And I have an extra $100, so I pretty much got this Travis Scott hoodie for $15 and then I got another $100 that I have to spend. So pretty much I already spent the money on the hoodie. The 100 is gone. That extra money for the hoodie is gone. But I got that for 15 bucks and then I got the gift card that I'll use whenever they come out with something new that I might like. Who knows? But I just thought I would let you guys know before I uploaded the video so then you guys kind of understood how their customer support works. So there we go. We got an unboxing video and we got a customer support review video. So shout out Travis Scott's customer support. They did good. They didn't do anything though when my Scott's vinyl came bent, but they said that was due to the post office. Don't know how true that is because someone had to see it. But nonetheless, leave a like, comment, subscribe. They did great. I'm happy I got a gift card. I'm happy I got to unbox this hoodie, and now I got a brand new hoodie. And it's even funnier because I said if I was going to keep any hoodie for the personal, it probably would be this one and I wouldn't be mad. And lo and behold, God was like, you know what? You said it, so I'ma just make a rip happen. And if you guys forgot, you know, you are watching pretty far into the video, but this right here is the rip. It is on the right sleeve, kind of like inside, so when you wear the hoodie, you don't even really see it. But again, I don't know how that happened. It literally has discoloration and a rip, and it's basically a hole that just goes through the hoodie. But like I said, got it for 15 bucks. No one would pass up on this hoodie for 15 bucks. I mean, come on, it's a $15 hoodie now. But we'll catch you guys in the next unboxing video. Peace.